My name's Lucy and I'm the art teacher at UK Virtual School. We have been having so much fun over the last few years learning art at UKVS. Every month we travel to a different country and we use that country as inspiration for our art projects, whether it's a landmark or a natural place of natural beauty, or some famous artists that are from that country. We study them and we recreate our own artworks using them as influence. Over the last couple of years, we've travelled to China, where we used ink brush painting. We made our very own terracotta warriors using air drying clay, so you can join in at home too from your desk. We've been to Iceland, where we studied an artist who uses found objects. He's an environmentalist, so we learned a little bit about his techniques, and we found our own things washed up on the beach or in the parks, and we made our own art. We've been to India, we've been to Russia, we've been to Kenya, where we looked at the famous tourist paintings, the Tinga Tinga paintings, and we made our very own using really, really bold colours with acrylic paints. After that, we went all the way back to Russia, where we were inspired by the art of Kandinsky, a Russian artist who lived outside of Russia for most of his life, but has really influenced design and abstract art. And finally, one of the last countries we went to last year was Thailand, and we made our very own corn masks, which are masks worn by dancers and the theatrical performers in Thailand, and we added clay to our masks to make our own, some of them grotesque, some of them fun, masks that we could use to perform for our friends and family at home. Next year we're going to be going and visiting lots more countries. On our list we've got Madagascar, we've got New Zealand, Peru and Germany. So everything that you will need for each art lesson will be sent to you in advance, so you can get everything ready, and don't worry, there's not going to be anything too strange that you won't be able to pick up at your local shop or for a not too expensive Amazon order. So I really hope that you'll join us and get creative together. Bye.